Dear friends, today we are going to study orthographic projections, and as recommended in our syllabus, we will concentrate on first angle method of projections. Before that, in order to have an overview of the projections, this chart is shown where the projections are divided, one in parallel or cylindrical projections, the other one is perspective or conical projections. In parallel or cylindrical projections, again it is subdivided into two types. One is oblique projection, other one is the orthographic projection. In perspective projection or conical projection, again there are three subtypes: 1 point, 2 point and 3 point. Today our objective is to go for orthographic. It is also called as the multi-view, and in which there are two methods of the projections, first angle and the third angle, but we are going to concentrate on the first angle method of projections. The other part we will see in next sessions. What is the orthographic projections? The projection where the projectors, the observer and the station point remain parallel to each other and perpendicular to the plane of projection. These orthographic projections are divided into axonometric projections and the multi-view projections, and this is very effective for technical presentations. The object is at rest and two coordinate axes are visible in one view. The projection plane, it is denoted as PP. Multi-view projections. Based on the shape of the objects, sometimes it is not possible to get the clear idea of the object in one or two views, and that's why this slide it shows there are 6 views, and how these 6 views are drawn, these are shown by various positions. How this is folded, that we will see in the next slide. You see the 6 views. For the 6 views, this is one is called as the front view, top view, side view from left, side view from right, the rear view, and also called as the bottom plan. The projectors of the line of sides are perpendicular to the plane of projection. The front surface of the object is parallel to the plane of projection, and the projectors are parallel to each other. These are the features of multi-view projections. The 6 views, all the 6 directions are shown: the front view, the rear view, the top view, the left hand side view, the right hand side view, and the bottom view. The 6 views. The 6 views of you can say the residential block, these are shown. However, just you see the visibility, these are drawn with the help of the third angle. You see, this is the direction of the front view. This projection is drawn here. This is the top view, how it look like, it is shown here. The bottom view, this is shown here. Also, the left hand side view, it is drawn, right hand side view is drawn, and also there is rear view. So, generally, based on the complexity of the object, the 6 views we can draw. Our job is to draw the minimum number of views so that the full shape of the object it is clear. Just now I mentioned 2 methods, first angle and third angle. The first angle method of projection system, it is also called as the European system. The third angle projection, it is called as the American system. The first angle projection. You see the sample object is shown, the front view is drawn, the right hand side view is drawn, the left hand side view is drawn, and also the top plan is also drawn. How to draw the plan and the elevation? This is the first quadrant is shown. The ground line, the first quadrant, horizontal plane. The object it is kept above the horizontal plane in front of the vertical plane, and how these projectors are drawn and how the views are projected, these are shown. How it is converted? Let us start from the XY line. Let us rotate the horizontal plane in clockwise direction so that the horizontal, the plan, it is exactly below the reference line, and this is about the elevation or the projection on VP. The end view. Now this is the end view which is drawn from the left hand side view. How the view appear, it is shown. This is called as the auxiliary vertical plane, and this plane is rotated in anti-clockwise direction. How to draw the end view? This is shown. If the two views are known, now the height dimensions, these are projected from the front view, and the width dimensions, these are projected from the plan view. And this is a symbol for first angle method of projection. Finally, the points to be remembered: the front view or elevation is the view with the maximum information. The plan is below the elevation in projection. The end view is placed on the right if the view from the left side of the object, on the left view if viewed from the right side. End view in the plan faces inwards from elevation. You see, this is one sample object. The front view plan is shown. How it look like in the front view, these are shown. This is the top view, and this is, you can say, the left hand side. You see the movie which is showing how the rays are projected and how these three views are drawn. Once again we are repeating this, and similarly all these six views are projected. Thank you very much.